Hello everyone, this is Veronica V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a angel mail. I received angel mail, you guys. I was part of Poochie Tack's bead box swap in December. And so she had someone send me an angel gift. So I guess this is my angel, and I did go ahead and open it to make sure that this was the bead box, because I was expecting several things to arrive and I wanted to be sure, so I had to check it out prior. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I appreciate this. I've never gotten a gift from an angel from a swap, and so wow, man, the people who do this, they have to be like, have the heart of gold, because they're not receiving anything, you guys. They're just helping. They're helping. Like, I didn't send anything to this person. I can't get that off of my head. I didn't send anything to her, and she like took the time to send me a bead box. Like, what is this? Yeah, I'm mind blown. So let's get into it. Here's the card, Buzzing with V. Let's check it out. And it says, Veronica, hope you enjoy this bead box and that it reaches you well. Your bead box angel, Reanna. Oh, Reanna. Reanna, let's see. Okay, let's get into this. She sent me some Planner Society, the Scarlet line. I've never had this. And you know what? That looks good for bag toppers, actually. I might put this on bag toppers. So yeah, I love that. Thank you. And then she sent me a little bag full of just little embellishments. And this is a rosette that she made, a little like flat mail rosette. So look at that butterfly, you guys. So cute. It says happy day. Let's go ahead and put it right there. She sent a tag. She sent some ribbon. I don't have, well, do I have? Yeah, I have yellow. But yeah, she sent some of this colorful ribbon, and it has like a little leaf on there. And then she sent this sticker right here. It's like a chipboard sticker. Too cool, too cool. And then this cute fuchsia bag, which I will be reusing, and some hearts. These are punch outs, and pink, floral, a lavender, yellow, black, and you know what? This is good for like a vintage TN. And then tag, a button veneer butterfly, and then this chipboard piece for journaling. And then you guys, for the fun part, let's get into this bead box. Look how she decorated it. Her style looks like vintage style decoration. Let me put that to the side. Okay, so let's take a good look at this. Florals, it has some vines, it has the Maggie Holmes pattern paper. It says my name, and it looks like she stamped it and then colored it. And then she has some of these floral stickers on it, and which my favorite is this paper right here. It's like a shimmer paper, and behind it she put some stars in there. So pretty, and I like how she used the twine. Very vintage, you guys. I think I might have to cut it. Yep. It has a knot in there, so I'm going to have to cut. Okay. Thank you so much, Angel. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ta-ta-da! Oh, I see information. Okay, yes, you may share my info. Okay. So here is her info right here. This bead box swap was angeled by Reanna Gomez, IG Crafty Ray, YouTube Crafty Witch by Reanna G, Etsy Crafty Witch by Reanna G. Oh, you have a TikTok. I'm gonna follow you on TikTok, and I think, I'm not sure, But I believe that, have I spoken to you on Instagram? I think I have. This name rings a bell. I think I have. So I think I may be following you on IG. I will check my YouTube. I will check out your Etsy, and I will definitely follow you on TikTok. Veronica, please enjoy. And then she says right here, but look at these beads, you guys. Just an assortment of colors. Thank you so much, Rihanna. We have orange for Halloween. We have this clear for all year round. Pink for all year round for me anyway. And then these right here for Michael's, I believe, because I picked some up like these for Michael's, which I love. And then we got some vintage ones right here. And then some purple ones, and those are perfect for mermaid. And also right here for sunny days, all the blues. And then right here, Valentine's Day and Christmas. And then right here, fall and possibly some Halloween. But look at this, you guys. I need to show you this. She said an angel because she's an angel. Look at that. How cute is that? I love that, you guys. That is the cutest thing. And then she sent some like other like knickknacks in here. Here's some charms. Such beautiful things. And yeah, look at that bead. How pretty is that? And then right here, some like winter wonderland. So pretty. Here's another charm right there. She just sporadically put charms. These are so cute. Even a flower and a butterfly in this one right there. And look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love it so much. Thank you so much, you guys. If you guys are interested, please check her out. All her info will be linked below as well. Thank you, Rihanna. I am so blessed to have this. Like, really, it blows my mind that you didn't receive anything from me, but I'm definitely sending you a thank you. But thank you so much. All this right here. Hope you guys liked that video because it really made me happy and touched my heart. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.